Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 380 different strategies with 119 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 277 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,044 indicators, with 435 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says, get ready to dominate trading with this one simple indicator. And so of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, I will tell you that this isn't just one simple indicator. It's going to be a combination of indicators together. And so right off, the source video is being a little dishonest, and so but we'll go ahead and put the strategy to the test nonetheless and see what we can get out of it. And so the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the zero lag trend signals indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we will keep this on the default settings. Nothing changed on this. I think all I changed was I just turned off the table right here, so that way that doesn't kind of get in the way. And then click OK. And the next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the Momentum Ghost Machine. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And the settings on this one as well, just stay on the default settings. Just double check that they're all on these settings here, and if not, modify them, change them as needed, and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade example, so we are looking for when we get a green buy label, I guess you could call it, like this right here from the zero lag indicator. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look down to the ghost indicator, and we want it to have green histogram bars. And lastly, we want a green candle to have closed on that signal. And so when all those line up, that will be your signal to then enter into a trade. You're going to put your trade right here, put your stop at the bottom of the line right here, and then target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so we get a push and a drop, and then a nice push getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is we're looking for a sell tag like this right here from the zero lag indicator. We are then going to look down to the ghost indicator. We want it to have red histogram bars like this here. And lastly, we want a red candle to have closed on this tag here like so. And once all those line up, that'll be your signal to enter into a short. Put your trade right there, put your stop right at the top of this zero lag line, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. And that one gets a really nice push to the downside, getting us to take profit pretty quickly. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 28% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,400 for an overall loss of $6,000 altogether. So definitely not dominating a lot using this strategy. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 38 trades altogether. We had 31 winning trades and 7 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $18,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for an overall gain of $10,200. So definitely better results. And if you would have used the position management strategy that we teach all of our patrons, you would have increased the win rate of the Academy Forex indicator quite significantly, up into the high 90%. So the total gain would have been closer to the $18,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. We are still at the 26th winning trade in a row, maintaining that 100% win rate over close to closing on 2 months now, and a little over 30% growth on the account in total. That's using the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago, as well as the position management strategy. And I will put a screenshot up of the 26th winning trade. It's been a few days now with that same one. I haven't taken a trade in a few days, the weekend and now the beginning of the week. But still an amazing strategy, doing very well. I highly recommend you check it out. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.